Let's have a look at question 3 now. So we have to solve the following system of equations for x, y, and z. Okay, since this is a system of equations, we can work with the equations together, meaning we can combine them the way we want to find out relationships between the variables. Now, let's have a look over here. We have y and minus y. If we add these two equations, y and minus y cancel out, so we will have a relationship only between x and z, and that's good because the less variables we have, the closer we are to finding them. So what we will have, 2x plus 3x, that's 5x, and y minus y cancels out, so 3z plus 2z is going to be plus 5 times z equals to 6 plus minus 1, that's just 6 minus 1, which is equal to 5. Now we can see that there is something in common here, and that is 5. If we take 5 as a common factor, we're left with x plus z on the left side, so x plus z equals to 5. Now 5 and 5 cancels out because this is an equation, and we're left with x plus z equals to 1. Now with this in mind, we can already find out something. Because if x plus z is equal to 1, and we have a relationship between x plus y plus z, well, if we just substitute this over there, what do we get? We will have the following. X plus z is 1, so we have y plus 1 equals to 6, meaning that we find our y variable. So y is going to be 6 minus 1, which is equal to 5. So we already found something. Okay, since y is equal to 5, what can we do next? We could try to substitute y is equal to 5 in one of the equations. So let's substitute y is equal to 5 over here to see what we're going to get. Now, if we do so, let's see what the result is going to be. I'm going to write it over here below. We will have 2x plus y is equal to 5, so we write 5, then plus 3z, so plus 3z, is equal to 6. Okay, now we can cancel out something. We can simplify, something. If we take 5 to the other side, we're left with 2x plus 3z equals to 6 minus 5, which is equal to 1. Now, this is already getting better because we also have a relationship that we found a couple of minutes ago, and that's just x plus z is equal to 1. And x plus z is included over here. What's 2x plus 3z? That's x plus z, and then what is left? We're left with another x and another 2z, right? Because x plus x is going to give us the 2x from here, and z plus 2z is going to give us the 3z over there, and that's equal to 1. So this is equal to 1. What we also know is that x plus z is equal to 1. X plus z is equal to 1 from here, so that is 1, meaning that the only value left for x plus 2z is equal to 0, since 1 plus 0 is going to be equal to 1. What does it mean if x plus 2z is equal to 0? So let's write it over here. X plus 2z is equal to 0. Well, that means that x is equal to minus 2z. X is equal to minus 2z. We literally take this term on the other side. Now, with this in mind, we can be even closer to our answer because we could substitute minus 2z instead of x in our equation. And let's do so. If we do it over here, if we do this substitution over there, and instead of x, we're going to write minus 2z. What are we going to have? Let's see. We're going to have the following result. 2 times, instead of x, we say that we write minus 2z. Let me just color code it. So we'll have minus 2z plus 3z. So let's write it also like that. Plus 3z equals to 1. So that would equal to 1. What is 2 times minus 2? That's minus 4. So we have minus 4z plus 3 times z is equal to 1. What is minus 4z plus 3z? That's minus z. So minus z equal to 1, meaning that z is equal to minus 1, right? If we divide both sides by minus 1, we would find that z is equal to minus 1. So one more variable. Now we have z equals to minus 1. We found out that y is equal to 5, and we have this simple relationship over here in the first equation, that x plus y plus z equals to 6. Let's substitute what we have just found. And we have x plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5. And we found that z is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to 6. All of this relationship equals to 6. What is x going to be? Well, we have now x plus 4 equals to 6. X plus 5 minus 1 is 4 equals to 6. What is x? X is just going to be equal to 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2, and we found all the variables. Hope this makes sense. and we are done.